হাই দেয়ার, ওয়েলকাম টু ইনফিনিটি হাজি চ্যানেল। ওয়েস্টার্ন টিউটোরিয়ালের পক্ষ থেকে সবাইকে জানাচ্ছি প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা। আমাদের আজকের বিষয় হচ্ছে গ্রামাটিক্যাল স্পট। প্লিজ হ্যাভ আ লুক। Using a fall. It falls to you to divide the money. That is, your part of the business is to divide the money. Prices fall. That is, become lower. The wind falls. That is, diminishes in force. His countenance fell, that is, he became abashed and ashamed. To try a fall is to try about at wrestling. He's riding for a fall. That is, he's pushing on so recklessly that he will meet a catastrophe. I hope to come to see you next fall, that is, in the next autumn, so called because the leaves then fall from the trees. Thank you so much for joining us. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy and have a good time. Bye bye.